Hello guys and girls, good morning. How are we all doing today? As you can see, I am in my first Mercedes van.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through.
Wow, how close are you to my face there? I'll keep this vlog short. Yeah, I'm in a van. I got told it was 7.5 ton work, but it's not. But I'm not bothered. I'm at work, I'm driving, I don't mind. A lot of handballing today. I'm delivering to small convenience stores, and they're all really close together. It's not going to take me all day to do this. It's not going to take me 8 hours. I'll probably, to be fair, it'll probably be done in 4, I would think. I've just cleared it with the guy at the office though, and he said that when I'm done, I'm done. No worries, no hard feelings, get it smashed and go home. So that's what I'm going to do. The back is full. It's a long van. That's about all I can say that's good about it, to be fair. It is absolutely battered to death, this van. It's been leathered. It's got a bump on every single panel on it, actually. On every single panel there's a bang on it. I've just told the boss, I've just said to him, listen, look at the state of that van. I said go out and have a look at it. I've wrote everything down on the defect sheet because I don't want to get blamed for any of it. But I don't think they're that bothered, to be honest, because it has been leathered. I don't know who the hell's been driving it, but yeah, everything's battered on it. So I'm full of pop and crisp and chocolate bars and stuff like that, and everything is cash. Everybody pays with cash, which I'm not a bit nervous about, but with the way that I am mentally, I get a bit worried about what people think of me, and I'll be scared to death of counting something wrong and some money going missing or something like that, and I'm thinking it's me that I just, oh. But yeah, that's just the way I am.
Caution, speed camera ahead.
What? Who the hell was that? Hello? Hello? Wow. I've got a rear view mirror that's recording me. That is well cool. Oh wow. Anyway, where were I? I don't know where I were. So yeah, I'm not going to make it this I'm not going to make this a long vlog. We'll keep it short and sweet. I'll show you me unloading the back. Everything's got to be on board, obviously. I'm in a van. No problems. I don't mind that. Don't mind a bit of manual labour. Don't mind it at all. So we'll crack on with today. We'll see what today brings. I'm in a Mercedes. And now I'm getting a phone call. Talk to you in a bit, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Wow. A ton and a half of gear I just took off back up again. Van. This is what it looks like. Ton and a half. Wow. I'm absolutely goosed. How a proper graph that one. Yeah, fire. On to the next one. Alright, well, that was one absolutely massive order. That was proper ginormous, wasn't it? 1.5 tons of gear. I'm bold. It's a good job. I don't mind a bit of manual labour in it. Oh. So we're on to our next one. What? 2 minutes away? Really? Right. So I've got 2 minutes for try to think of something productive to say without hitting a garage or reversing into a brick wall. Oh, I know what I'm doing tomorrow. Doing something good tomorrow. If it says right on there, it means left on it because I'm back to front. Does it? Oh, I've got to do this wrong now. I do this wrong. Oh, I knew I'd do it wrong. Oh, you stupid sat-nav. Just put my drive time up to 4 minutes. Gutted. Gutted. I'm going to be late home for my tea now. Go round the more rivers, the more rivers, the more rivers. Right, so I know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm not going to tell you, but I'm doing something well good tomorrow. It's driving, obviously. It's just HGV driving, but I know. Oh, that's a proper cute dog. Yeah, I did just blow it a kiss when my window shut. Tell me about it. Brains were dynamite. Oh my lord. So, I know what I'm driving tomorrow. Tomorrow and Friday. Obviously, I'm not going to vlog Friday. Oh, I'm not going to vlog Wednesday. I'll either vlog Wednesday or Friday. Yeah, I'm doing a good job. I'm doing a good job on Wednesday and Friday. So that's good. Good for me, good for you, good content. Yes. That's what I like. I'm not answering any questions in this one because I've not actually recorded my speech as of yet. What day are we on? We're on the 5th of November today, bonfire night. Bonfire day. Firework day. So, I'm not going to answer any questions in this, but obviously I did ask. I hope I asked. But like I say, I've not recorded it, so I don't know if I'm going to ask or not, but yeah. I'm going to ask a couple of questions and ask you to ask me a couple of questions if there's anything you want to ask me, anything at all. So if I've not said it in my little speech that I said I was going to do, then I've just asked you now if there's anything you want to ask me, anything at all, job related, personal, whatever you want, get on it. Ask away. I've always wanted to do a Q&A, even though they don't do very well for views and whatnot. I've always wanted to do a Q&A. I just think they're funny. I follow a guy called Air Force Proud 95. He does flight simulator stuff, and
Caution,
he does
speed camera ahead.
heard. And he does reading mean and weird comments, and they're proper funny. They're really funny. I find that funnier than the stuff he usually puts up. I don't know why. I think I like to know what goes on in YouTubers' lives. You know, do they literally lead normal lives like us, like normal people, or do they do things a little bit differently? Sounds really stupid, but it's true. I've always wondered what they actually do in their spare time, YouTubers. Because since I started doing this, all I do in my spare time, literally, is edit. That's it. I had 2 days off this week. I had Sunday and Monday off, and all I've done for 2 days straight is edit. And that's it. I uploaded my last video at about 9 o'clock last night, and it worked. I'm here. Right at a Pelican Crossing and zigzags and double yellows. Well, this is a funny old conundrum, isn't it? What am I supposed to do? Ah well, I will turn round and then go and get this delivery done. See you at the next one. Right, so that's that delivery done. That's another one down. How many have we got left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. Other one's only 2 miles away. I will. I'll take you in the back. Oh no! Did you hear that? That's all me crisp. All my crispin just fell over. Oh, no! What a dope! Oh dear! You should have strapped it down, you idiot! You know it's illegal, that. Tell me about it. So yeah, I'll go through a delivery order with you, a delivery note. People always ask me if I'll go through delivery notes. I don't know why. I think it's just because they want to know what they're getting into if they get something like this. So if I go through my delivery notes, you'll get a brief idea of what they're like. I did it on my last. I think I did it on my last vlog, didn't I? Or the one before. But I'll go through the delivery note with you on this next drop, and then I'll call it quits there. I don't want to make this vlog like 20-30 minutes because I'm only in a van. It is, even for me, it's pretty boring. This, I think, this is the only job up to now that I've had that I wouldn't do full time. I wouldn't do that. It's a proper graft there, and I'm only getting a tenner an hour for it. And this is the hardest work that I've done. It's hard work jumping in back of a van and getting all, 2 litre, 6 times 2 litre bottles of bloody lemonade and Dr Pepper and all sorts. Hundreds of them. Proper hard work. So yeah, I'll do this delivery note and then I'll end the vlog there. Bring it out, Nick Crisp. Catastrophe. Proper catastrophe. Oh. Right. Let's go through this order together, shall we? Where can I put it? It's just as simple as this. Quantity 1 chili heat waves, 15 by 80 grams, price mark packs 1, and it's a case, and that's how much it costs per case. And you just literally have to work your way down. So Doritos chili heat wave, Doritos chili heat wave, £1 price mark packed. I'll put it there. Next one, Doritos tangy cheese, price marked there. What's it? Next, are you getting dizzy yet? Oh, because I am. My head's spinning. Emerge orange, 3 of 1, 2, 3. Emerge Sports mixed berry, 2. Juice burst orange, 1. Cherry Emerge, 1, 2. I could do one of them. Don't it there. Juice orange. What's next? Ribena blackcurrant, Tango apple, and Cadbury's giant buttons. Ribena blackcurrant, Tango apple, and Cadbury's giant buttons. What else? M&M's crispy, 2 ciders and 2 waters. M&M crispy, 2 ciders, 2 water, and then last but not least, oh no, Maltesers and Quavers. Quavers, Maltesers. So that's that. Oh, lighting. That better. So that's how you pick one of these orders. Really is as simple as that. I've just got that left to deliver. That mess that's all fell over. I'll end it here because I'm not going to keep showing you this over and over and over. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. Normal class 2 work is back in the next vlog. No more of this van life. So I will see you all in the next vlog. If you've enjoyed it, please do comment, like and subscribe. Try and keep this one short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Take care. Be safe. Goodbye.